Hi everyone, my name's Cathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. I've got a little DIY tip for you. Have you done any filler in your wall and then it's all lumpty bumpty and you think, oh, I'm going to have to sand it down, and it creates all that mess, all the dust everywhere, and if you've got a bad chest like asthma or something like that, it makes it worse. Have a little go at this. It's a really simple thing to do and there's no dust. What is it? I've got an old cloth. So I rip up old tea towels and hand towels, bath towels to make cloths when they're past the best. This has been run under the tap and a little squares of washing up liquid. So it's a little bit soapy, and this is what you do. It blends the edges, it makes it smooth, and look, no dust. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I've done this for years. Instead of sanding, do some wiping. Bye for now, and if you could be so kind, please like, share and subscribe.